How much does State Farm life insurance pay for suicidal death? State Farm life insurance policies do cover suicidal death, but there are specific conditions and exclusions based on the policy's suicide clause. Whether a payout is made depends on when the policyholder passes away relative to when the policy was issued. First, suicide clause and waiting period. Most State Farm life insurance policies include a suicide clause which states if the policyholder dies by suicide within the first 2 years of the policy, the death benefit will not be paid. Instead, State Farm refunds the premiums paid. If the suicide occurs after the 2-year waiting period, the policy pays the full death benefit to the beneficiaries. 2. Coverage under different policy types. Term, life insurance. If suicide occurs after 2 years, the policy pays the full benefit. Whole life insurance. As long as the suicide occurs after the exclusion period, the full coverage amount is paid along with any cash value accumulated. Universal life insurance follows the same 2-year exclusion rule before paying out the full benefit. 3. Refund of premiums versus full payout. If suicide occurs within the first 2 years, only the premiums paid will be refunded. If it happens after 2 years, the full policy amount is paid out. 4th, state-specific variations. Some states may have different rules regarding the suicide clause, but most follow the 2-year waiting period. 5. How to confirm coverage details. Policyholders or beneficiaries should review the policy documents for specific terms. Contacting a State Farm representative can provide clarification on eligibility and payout details. State Farm life insurance does pay for suicidal death after the 2-year exclusion period, but if it occurs within the first 2 years, only the premiums paid will be refunded. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.